Hey look, my hands are dirty. I better clean them. Oh geez, that's really cold. I wish somehow I could heat up this soap so it wouldn't be so cold. That was so frigid. Oh, maybe I can microwave this soap. But is this a really good idea to microwave? Here at the Jory Cairn Laboratory, safety is of #1 concern. We have a giant tinfoil shield so we don't roast our nuts. No one likes roasted nuts. Also, we have a ventilation system. 3 fans. Now that's proper ventilation. We also have a remote arm so we don't have to get near it. And here is the trusty steed, the Sharp. In goes the soap. Yay. Close it. I wonder how long I should put this one in there for. Maybe 2 minutes. Sounds like a plan. Okay, let's back up. And off with the lights. It's soap in a microwave. Fantastic. Great. Okay, let's start this bad boy. Oh, it's shooting. I hope it keeps shooting. And it just shot stuff at the window. But now it's not.
It smells in here.
A little bit. Okay, I better turn this off because I think it's leaking out the bottom. Oh yeah, it really smells like soap in here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There we go. Okay, let's find out what happened. Oh boy, it smells like soap. Beats the hell out of toothpaste. As you can see, the bottle melted. And the soap is really liquidy. I think the microwave needs some more. Hopefully that will clean it. So you might be asking, is it a good idea to microwave soap? Absolutely. The desired result is to get warmer soap. And boy, is this warmer soap. So, until next time, I'm Jory